Hi everyone. So this is our farm and we came here today just to check how everything is going, and everything looks really good here. The weather is so nice today. It feels fresh and calm. We reached here early in the morning so that we can enjoy the fresh morning sunlight and coolness of the nature. She is my sister and he is my brother. They are my parents and this is me. We usually come here like once or twice a month just to refresh ourselves and of course to check on everything. Especially my parents love to come here. It is like an escape from their busy routine where they can just relax and refresh themselves. Can you see how beautiful the village life is? Let me show you the pomegranate plant. Here it is. Can you see how many pomegranates are there on this? They are still not ripe yet, but good to see them. And this one is a guava tree. Can you see these small guavas here? They are yet to ripe. I can spend a whole day just doing nothing and watching everything, like how nature grows. This is such a beautiful place.